Hello students, welcome to another video case study. 1. Background information. Glowskin Cosmetics is a private limited company that produces a small range of face creams and soaps. Its products are designed and manufactured in Singapore using safe natural ingredients. Glowskin adopts a product-oriented marketing approach. 2. Glowskin's products profile. Glowskin's products are in high demand due to their natural ingredients, and the company prides itself on maintaining a highly transparent manufacturing process. Glowskin has been recognized 3 times for its ethical production practices, winning prestigious awards. 3. Human resource at Glowskin. Although Glowskin has a highly talented and motivated workforce, the human resource records indicate an increasing labor turnover. While employees are appreciated for their contributions, some feel that their remuneration package is not competitive compared to similar companies in the industry. Consequently, this has led to higher recruitment costs, indirectly impacting negatively the company's profit margin. 4. Cosmetics industry profile. The market has become increasingly competitive as numerous multinational companies enter the industry, leveraging customized production techniques. This development has raised concerns for Glowskin's management. To address these concerns, the marketing director has sought the expertise of a team of market researchers. The research report revealed that 1. The natural skincare products industry is experiencing a significant surge in demand as consumers increasingly prioritize their health over monetary considerations. 2. The shift in consumer behavior has created a favorable market environment for new entrants. This will intensify the competition. 3. The government has implemented stringent standards for product development and testing, which may result in delays when launching new products. 4. However, despite these hurdles, the growing demand for natural skincare products presents a lucrative opportunity for businesses willing to meet the stringent. Students, it's time to complete the worksheet. Please check the description below for the worksheet. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.